Hello, everybody. It's Dr. Julia Hunter again on the prevention trail, basically, to help everybody prevent as much as possible, have quality longevity, prevent going to the doctor as much as possible, at least except for healthy checks. How about that? Get your blood work every now and then to make sure everything is as it should be. So I'm talking, I just did a video on heavy metals, and we talked about lead and mercury and all the different heavy metals which I listed, how to test for them, the things that you can do to help get rid of them, both by mouth, internally, foods that you can eat, exercise, etc., sweating, all those things, lymphatic drainage, which is why I'm always about exercise, because it takes out the garbage. But it's hard to get rid of them in the bones and in the deep fat, which is where the body stores heavy metals, okay? The body stuffs them away. It doesn't want them circulating in the blood. A couple of things that I forgot, despite no matter how many brain vitamins I take, was that some of the biggest causes of why we're so full of heavy metals is, number one, is makeup. Okay, makeup, lipstick in particular, full of mercury, full of, and it's a huge issue in the marketplace and a very guarded secret. So lipsticks, face makeup is also another major issue. And also remember that one of the reasons I'm all about non-toxic yet physician strength is because when you put anything on your skin as well as in your body, never mind what we inhale, okay? And I say to my patients, look, save your toxicity for hair color if you need it, because there is no non-toxic hair color. But anything that you put on your body is absorbed in many cases in your body. Now, sometimes you're buying products that you read the side of it and you're thinking, ooh, this sounds fabulous. Well, remember, that is generally marketing and not science, okay, what you read on the label, because they can put anything they want. There's no label police overall that are saying you can't put this. They can claim a lot of things, but what's most important is that you read the ingredients. Look, there's a reason when you go and they take the product out, you go to the department store, they take the product out of the box, they throw away the box. The ingredients are on the box. You need to read the ingredients of everything that you put in and on your body, okay? And so makeup is a huge issue with toxic ingredients. Now, I don't want to discourage you from wearing makeup, okay? We all need to look better in the big picture, but that starts with internal health. The second thing is that your skin looks beautiful, so you don't feel like you need to wear makeup, okay? But with makeups, you want to read the ingredients. A lot of the ingredients are so sophisticated, it's hard. I can't even make sense of a lot of them, okay? But that's a cause of a lot of the heavy metal toxicity. And then with skin products and toxic ingredients, look, the propylene glycols, and I see more and more there, because people know about the parabens and the propylene glycols. What they've done is they've changed the names a little bit. It's still the same toxic ingredient. Trithanolamine. Look, I see it in compounded hormones, where people think with compounded drugs they're getting a healthier pharmaceutical, but in fact they've got more propylene glycol, more parabens, more of the trithanolamines. So you've got to know and inquire energetically for the complete, not just the active, but the complete ingredient list of all the products that you're putting on your body. And that includes when you go and get a facial. I tell my patients, look, I don't like for them to go, look, everybody likes to lie down and have something done to them, but in the big picture, you've got to know the ingredients of everything that people are putting on their bodies and on your body, because it could be it's inflaming it, it's full of maybe heavy metals, or it's full of ingredients that are inflaming your skin, and inflammation is the cause of all disease and aging. So toxic ingredients. The other thing is, in the vein of marketing and versus science, which is one of my most issues that I'm the most passionate about, is the reason I'm all about non-toxic and physician strength is because people buy all these products and they think, oh, they're organic. Well, organic doesn't mean that they're therapeutic, okay? And therapeutic means that you see a result. They slow down the clock. They turn back the clock. They keep the surface of your skin acidic like it has to be, because bacteria, viruses, and fungus are hitting our skin nonstop. And so if you change the pH because of the toxic ingredients on what you're putting on your skin, then you are allowing disease more likely to enter. You're inflaming your skin. You're contributing to enlarged pores, acne, rosacea, and aging. So toxic ingredients are essential to be aware of. On my website, JuliaTHunterMD.com, there is a whole list of ingredients to avoid and alternatives, okay? And if you look also at my skin products, I've got every ingredient is therapeutic and non-toxic. And therapeutic means that they cause the skin to not only anti-age, but to be healthy, to turn back the clock, to slow down the clock. So start to educate yourself at a young age, because the younger you start, the longer you look younger, you are younger, and you're not poisoning yourself internally. And you don't want to inadvertently, not knowing, you don't want to spend your money on what is challenging not only your immune system, but your health and your quality, longevity, never mind your brain power, as we've discussed in heavy metals. And if you are poisoning your enzyme systems are what make everything, they're the workers in your body. So it's very important to be aware of those toxic ingredients, to educate yourself, and to be smart about what you're buying. Thank you.